Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and today is all about tea towels. We have these available on our website. They are 27-inch square, 100% cotton, and Chris only bought the best. He calls them flour sack towels. I just cracked myself up. Anyway, they're wonderful to decorate, so easy, and they're beautiful. They have rolled edges, and you can put any type of vinyl on them. So the following video shows you how I decorated this flour sack towel. And please comment, like, and share. Hope you subscribe. Get your friends to join us, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye. I begin by uploading a photograph of Hannah when she was 6 into Cricut Design Space. We used to make cranberry salad and stuffing every Thanksgiving. We still do. Then I went into Cricut Images looking for some frames. I chose the one I wanted and sized it to her photograph. You'll want to use either laser or inkjet printable vinyl depending on your printer, and I'll leave links below in our description. Don't touch the image because the ink has to have a chance to dry. Okay, it's ready to go. Once my image was completely dry, I cut it out and gently burnish it onto some transfer mask. And I suggest using a transfer mask that is not overly sticky. After it was burnished on, I removed the backing and it was ready to iron on. I had a lot of fun typing our old family recipe into Cricut Design Space. Then I put our matte vinyl shiny side down onto Cricut's 24-inch mat, mirrored the image, and proceeded to cut. And here's the Heirloom tea towel. I hope Hannah treasures it for a long, long time. Thanks, everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.